What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is an update on the Avalanche Coin. Quick disclaimer, I'm not here to give you any financial advice on, like how much money you should be investing into this or into that. This is really about what to look for in a chart, in a trading chart with candlesticks. You guys know, for those of you who've been watching me for a while now, I trade a specific pattern that happens every day, guaranteed. Like seriously guaranteed. It's a 3-push pattern, and it happens within support and resistance. Doesn't matter if it's crypto, if it's currencies, if it's stocks, indices, commodities, you name it. The market has a tendency in moving a certain way. Even if it continues going up, if it's a strong uptrend, we will always get a pullback before it continues going up. Within that pullback, you'll see what I mean by a 3-push into some kind of support before it continues going up, or a 3-push into some kind of resistance before it continues going down. So here, this is just an update on, I've been doing a lot of shorts and reels on Instagram and on YouTube about the Avalanche Coin. What is the Avalanche Coin? Avalanche Coin is backed by its own blockchain, like Ethereum, like the Pi network. So it's pretty cool. And what we have here, we have, okay, when I first started analyzing this chart, it was what day was this? This was back in December, yeah, around December 20th, where I noticed the pattern, and I noticed some details. All these lines you see here, the red line, blue line, yellow, this is all me marking up my support and resistance of where price has been at in the past, right? Because what happens in the past, it happens again in the present moment. Price tends to revisit those zones, those levels again, as you can see. And what's been happening with this Avalanche Coin, if you notice, is looking like it's forming a W type of structure from this start of where resistance was first formed to when it hit this bottom around 79.72, came back up, revisited this level, this zone around 126, and then it came back down and revisited that 79 support zone. So what's happening now, excuse me, as you can see, like I marked it up here, we have 3 pushes. So what I mean by 3 pushes is really a set of candles, right, that will give you that first push, a break in between, like some consolidation or a pullback, a second push, another break in between, and then a third push into some support or resistance. In this case, it was into some detailed resistance, and it respected it, and then it started pushing down. If we look at over here, this is recently, in the past week or two. This is the 4-hour time frame. So like in about a week, we had price, like I wrote here, price broke below this detailed support around 101.81, and what happened was it gave us that first push down, a break in between, right, some consolidation before we got that second push, consolidation, third push into this detail support. And now we have price respecting this detail support, and it's starting to push up. Now what I see that is going to happen is we're not just going to continue going up. I see price is going to come back down and retest this 79 support level, before it continues going up to respect this multi-session W type of structure that's going on right here. For those of you that know how to identify W's and M's, like this is a M right here within this whole little structure right here as well. It's like an M type of structure. I know if you look at it well, you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is just to let you guys know that the 3 push pattern, it respects support and resistance, and when it trades within a structure like this, WM's, price will respect the pattern. It respects support and resistance, always get respected before it continues to either break below this zone right here. If what happens next, if we come back down and retest this 79 price range and price tends to break below, it may break below to continue going down further, or it may just break below, induce a whole bunch of sellers to, okay, now we're gonna sell and keep going down. And it can just be a fake out where it will break below, give us like a long ass wick, like how you see here. Look at this long ass wick. Price came all the way up to 172 and ended up closing down here. You know how many traders who were buying got stuck up here because they was hoping for price to continue going up? It's crazy. So that can happen here, where price may come down, give us a long ass wick, and come right back up into this support level to continue going up. So Avalanche Coin, this is official. So like I said, what may happen next is we may come back down to retest this 79 support zone before we continue going up. And as for now, price is it's at 91.39. It may even reach 102 detailed resistance and come back down. So I will keep you guys updated on this. If you haven't watched any of my YouTube shorts, you should go ahead so you can understand how price has gotten here. I spoke about it when price was around this area. It's all about them 3 pushes because that's a guaranteed move. It is a guaranteed move. So comment down below. Let me know if you understand a little what when I break down the 3 pushes. If you see it, I know you see it. 1, 2, 3, respect support, starts pushing up. 1, 2, 3, respects resistance, starts pushing down. You know, so this is something that whenever you do your homework, your analysis, look for this move, for these 3 pushes, and maybe you get comfortable enough that maybe you only trade the 3 pushes. You'll get into a trade when you see a move like this, 3 pushes into support. You could get into a buy right here, early entry, and catch those pips and get out the trade, get your money, and wait for the next 3 pushes. You know, so, and one thing I would tell you, when you see the 3 pushes on a higher time frame, it's even better because you will get a longer sell-off, or a longer you know, like buy. You'll be in the trade longer, I mean. So the higher the time frame, the longer you'll be in the trade. Now, the 3 pushes, you'll see it more consistently, like happening more like on the 5-minute time frame or on the 15-minute time frame. 1-minute time frame too. If you trade the 1 minute, it's too fast, but yeah, 5-minute, 15-minute, you'll see the 3 pushes happen constantly, repeatedly within our support and resistance structure. So thank you for watching this video. Comment down below, let me know if you like it. This is the Avalanche Coin This is on Binance.us. This is where I do most of my crypto trading. Share this video, give a like, and on to the next video. I'll keep you guys posted on this Avalanche coin and any other coin or any other type of asset you want me to break down for you. Comment down below, put it so I can show you how the 3 pushes happen. You probably seen it, but you don't pay attention to it because you know, you stuck trading in whatever you trade, the way that you trade. But this is the simplest way to catch a good entry with this guaranteed move that happens every day. Peace out.